Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the PineTales Premium Buckwheat Pillow. You can get this product for about $55. Check out the link in the description. The pillow comes with a soft and skin-friendly bamboo pillowcase. It is filled with 100% organic buckwheat hulls. My first impression is very positive. It seems like this is a good quality pillow. The pillow comes with a short instruction how to check your body posture and how to make the pillow softer and more moldable. If the pillow is too high and too hard, you can remove some of the buckwheat hulls. I had to remove quite a few of the buckwheat hulls before it finally felt comfortable. I tested the buckwheat pillow for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very good product. It's really comfortable and the pillowcase was easy to wash. So if you're looking for a comfortable and long-lasting pillow, I would recommend the PineTales Premium Buckwheat Pillow. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.